Yeah, hello, hello. Yeah. Now we are go to the Mink LED lighting booth,
Okay.
and then Brandy want to introduce their products. Yeah, you can hear this is my speaker for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Brandy from Mink Lighting. Our factory located in Guzheng Lighting Capital. And our factory mainly produce the outdoor walllight and the spikelight and the in-ground light and the garden light. And any customer interested in our products, you can contact with us. Okay, thank you so much. 可以了，可以了。介绍一下产品。介绍一下产品。Like this is our walllight. And this product is waterproof. This is the one series. And this one, the color is the gold color. This series is our project product. This one use the curly shape. And this way. And this series mostly used in the European market. And this way is the wholesale product. This is the forehead.
It's dimmable.
Yes.
Oh, automatic dimmable.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And this can be the 2 head and the 4 head and the 5 head. And this is our new product. And also here is the wholesale product. And this one can be use the GU10. This one.
Where are you from?
And here is the underground light. This series is very wholesale. And also can be the GU10. And this way. This way is the spider line. For the spider light, this one is the very good price. And this one is very wholesale. This one, this series. And this is the same series. This one. And also have the bigger one over there. This one is the 15.5 watt. This one is the 25 watt. Yes. And this one is the new product. The same size can change the length. You can see this one is with the length. It's different. And this one is the middle size. And this one is the bigger size.
给我拍照吗？
Okay.
名片。
名片。这样子吗？ Anyone interested in our product, you can contact with me. My name is Brandy. 可以吗？
可以。
谢谢。Thank you so much.
Hello.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Hi, thank you, Bandy. Yeah, thank you for your attending our exhibition. Yeah. Do you have any good customer today?
Today is the first day.
Yeah,
so
the first day.
Yes, the customer is not very much.
No, just now I see some foreigners come.
Yes. Now it's become the more and more the customer come to our booth.
Yeah, like this time. Yeah, if many person here and
Yes.
the person will come again.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much and have a good business. Yeah.